Good morning, Cebu City. It is a nice day. It is a nice Sunday. Oh, look at the bird. I'm back here in Cebu City, and if you're new to my channel, I do urban container garden. So some of you have seen my rooftop garden, and right now I will give you a quick look on the balcony and what I have right now. This is less demanding plants that I have since I am now working in Manila, and I just leave them all here, just with minimal care. So what I have here is gardenia. Look at the thick green gardenia leaves. Can we zoom in, focus? Look at that beauty. So there are already buds here. I will again give another video specifically for this plant later. Next to this, these are just their temporary pots while I am away, is guess what? Take a quick look on this little flower. Hint, it will turn yellow once it is already mature. Yes, you have guessed it. There's another set of buds. That is an ylang-ylang, a dwarf ylang-ylang flower. Okay, next to it is one of my favorite flowers of all time. Well, the mature one have already dropped, but this is a Plumeria. Yes, a Plumeria plant which we usually associate with vacation and holidays, and I want to have it in my own garden that I can see on a day-to-day basis. So it's here. The flower series would be then shot later. You have seen this plant. This is my, show you the leaf. This is my Barbados cherry. So I'll put a picture somewhere here. This just set some fruits. I just cleared up the fruits and I cleared up the yellow dying leaves, so it refreshed itself. There would be a lot of garden work later. So healthy right now. I think the healthiest since I have this like 2 years ago, and this is about to be transplanted in a better container. Look at this green leaves. Next is the ever-dying, my favorite fruiting plant, very hardy, that I have talked many times with all these benefits. Click here above that I will link, or below, the benefits of having a mulberry. So this is next to it. I'm just gonna do some little tilting on the soil so it will be set and ready for fruiting in the next month. Here, this becomes a little bit bushy and all over the place. This is Suriname cherry. So that this Suriname cherry has also set some fruits for the past months and years, not that much. I am working with the soil because I'm still not sure what soil really this plant wants. So far I have noticed that it likes acidic soil, just like any other fruiting trees, and does not really require so much. So it's looking so healthy. It is Euhinia uniflora. I will also do another shot only dedicated to this, or video. So that's how the leaves look like. Okay, sometimes they are so colorful, especially when the new leaves is set, because of its color, like dark green and it turns into yellow green and a red towards the top. They give out like this very bright red fruit, which is really awesome. So this is like, well, a little foresty right here. I know I need to do a lot of these weeds right here. That is like actually a pepper plant that I'm not into pepper at this moment in my garden life. Peppers and tomatoes, which I usually grow, vegetables and fruits. But right now, since I am away most of the time, I've learned my lesson. I'll stick to those plants that does not really require so much attention, but they still give you full love. So that's it for now. A quick garden update. Today is a Sunday, 3rd of November. Happy weekend, folks. Till next time, warm regards to this very hot and humid tropical place, Cebu City. Thank you.